You have multiple spreadsheets of data to analyze, and your manager wants a report tomorrow. You have been looking at those data files and you have no idea how to make it look like anything. This sounds familiar, right? By the end of this playlist, you will be building dashboards that will impress people, and your journey starts right here. Welcome to Analytics for You Academy. I am going to take you from zero to building real professional dashboards with Power BI, step by step, video by video. In this first video, I will cover the basics, what Power BI actually is, why so many companies rely on it, and how the tool works at a very high level. By the end of this video, you will have a clear picture of what you're going to learn, and trust me, it's more achievable than you think. Let's get into it. If you are a business manager or a data professional with the responsibility of analyzing large volume of data, you must have likely heard about Power Business Intelligence or simply Power BI. Power BI is a business intelligence platform created by Microsoft. In simple terms, it is a tool that takes raw data and turns it into visuals and interactive reports that help you make decisions. Think of it this way. Excel is great for storing and calculating data, but it's not built for telling the story behind the data. Power BI can be used for storytelling, and it takes your numbers and transforms them into dashboards that anyone in your company can understand at a glance. Let me paint you a picture that might feel familiar. Someone in the finance team compiles a massive Excel file, copying and pasting numbers from 5 different spreadsheets, trying to pull together a monthly report. And here's the scary part. All it takes is one wrong formula and the whole report is messed up, and you have to explain to management what went wrong. Now imagine this scenario instead. Your report updates by itself the moment new data comes in. Power BI picks it up automatically with no more copy and paste. And now your leadership team doesn't need to wait until the end of a month to see how the business is performing. They can log in at any time from their laptop, their phone, wherever they are, and get a live, accurate view of the budget, cash flow, and expenses of the business. Power BI works by connecting to various data sources, transforming raw data into structured information, and presenting those insights through interactive reports and dashboards. It begins by importing data from multiple sources such as Excel, databases, or cloud services, and then it allows users to clean and model this data using built-in tools. The transformed data is visualized through customizable charts, graphs, and tables, making it easier to analyze trends and patterns. Users can then create reports and dashboards which can be shared with teams for collaborative decision making. With real-time updates and cloud-based accessibility, Power BI ensures that businesses can monitor key metrics and make data-driven decisions efficiently. Power BI is made up of 3 key components, and each one of them plays a different role. Firstly, we have Power BI Desktop. This is where all the magic happens. It is completely free to download the app, and it allows you to connect to your data, build your reports, and create your visualizations. Then we have Power BI Service. This is an online platform where you can publish and share your reports with the rest of your team. And finally, we have Power BI Mobile. Exactly what it sounds like. Your reports and dashboards is in your pocket. Together, these 3 work seamlessly. You build in desktop, you share in service, and you access on the go with mobile. That's the Power BI ecosystem in a nutshell. Power BI is one of the most in-demand business intelligence tools globally. Here is why it is worth adding it to your skill set. Firstly, Power BI skills are required for data analysts, BI developers, and business intelligence analyst roles across finance, healthcare, retail, technology, and other sectors. Secondly, Power BI is completely free to download and use, hence lowering barrier of entry for learners. Thirdly, Power BI is used by hundreds of thousands of organizations worldwide to drive data-driven decision making. And lastly, with Microsoft's Copilot, it enables users to ask questions and get AI-generated report summaries. You might be wondering, is Power BI a tool for data scientists or developers only? Not at all. Power BI is designed for business users. Sales team use it to track performance. Human resource team uses it to monitor headcount and turnover. Finance teams build live budget reports, and project managers track their KPIs. If your job involves any kind of data, Power BI can save you hours every week. And the best part, you don't need to know how to code. Power BI has a drag and drop interface that makes it approachable for beginners while still being powerful enough for advanced users. That's exactly why we are building this series, to take you from zero to confident, step by step, video by video. Learning Power BI gives you an advantage over people who are trying to analyze data using tools that are harder to use, less powerful, and less collaborative. Now in the next video, we will get our hands dirty. I'm going to take a real Excel file and we are all going to build a complete Power BI report from scratch. You will see how to connect your data, clean it up, and turn it into a professional looking report. If that sounds like something you don't want to miss, make sure that you like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification so that you don't miss it when it drops.